Welcome to the Delaware Mortgage Rate Weekly Update for the week of May 14th, 2012. Hello, I'm John Thomas with Primary Residential Mortgage, here to give you your update. Well, in the news last week, we saw that the National Association of Realtors, NAR, said that of 146 metro cities surveyed, home prices rose in 74 of them in Q1 in 2012, as you can see from the chart. That's the median existing single-family home prices. This is up from 29 cities that saw an increase in home prices in the fourth quarter of 2011. In addition to that, NAR also said that existing inventories of homes for sale fell 22% since this time last year and are down 41% since the peak in mid-2007 when we had the most homes for sale in the market. Now, the market still has a long way to go, but this is a good step in the right direction. Let's see, we also saw last week that it helped mortgage rates stay at all-time historic lows was news coming out of Europe. First of all, in France, they elected a new president, and this change of the guard was not received very well because the swap in a leadership during a financial crisis is not good news. And we also saw that Greece is back in the news. Citizens are not taking the austerity measures very well. They need to pay down the debt that they had. So the new democracy government, a pro-bailout party, is having trouble gathering support to rule the government. This has sparked some safe haven trading. So as we saw at the end of the week, equities sold off and money moved back into the bond market. So if we take a look at the bond page, we can see that we are again at all-time historic lows ever for interest rates because the mortgage bond market is pushed to all-time highs. Now, unless we can break above that line you see there in the chart, rates can't improve much further. So that's a tough overhead layer of resistance, and if we bounce off that layer of resistance, then we can see home loan rates start to move slightly higher. So right now is a great time to purchase or refinance a home in Delaware. There's a couple different programs to help you refinance. HARP 2.0 just rolled out for underwater homeowners who owe more than their home's worth, has not been able to refinance. Even if you have mortgage insurance, you can still refinance under this new program. If you have an FHA loan or a VA loan, they have a streamlined program where you don't need any appraisal, don't need to verify income. You can just refinance and lower your home loan rate. So give us a call, take advantage of these programs, 302-703-0727, or you can apply online at www.prmidelaware.com. We also saw in the news for the USDA home loan program, which is 100% financing for rural areas. They will now start using the 2010 census as of October 1st this year, 2012. What that's going to do is shrink down the eligible areas for the USDA home loan, which will have a big impact in Delaware. Now, there is a Senate bill in the Senate that will extend this, the current census tract areas for at least another year to September of 2013, so you may want to call your senator about voting for that. In the local news, Newcastle County passed a law starting June 14, 2012 that will no longer exempt Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac from the transfer tax. So what this means, if you're purchasing a Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac home and does not close before June 14th, you will be subject to the county portion of the transfer tax. Currently, it's been waived, but that is not happening after June 14th, and we do expect the state and the other counties to follow suit, which means you will no longer get the transfer tax exemptions for purchasing a Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac home. Also in the local news, the next free first-time homebuyer seminar sponsored by the Neighborhood House is this coming Saturday, May 19th in Newark at the Christiana Hilton Hotel. Two times to choose from, 10 a.m. to noon or 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. You can register by giving us a call, 302-703-0727, or you can register online at the link, www.delawarehomebuyerSeminar.com. And you can register for either session. Then we also have one in Dover, which is this coming, not this Tuesday, but next Tuesday, May 22nd. That's from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. at the Dover Sheraton, right on Route 13. Again, you can register by calling 302-703-0727 or on the web, www.delawarehomebuyerSeminar.com. Until next week, look forward to seeing you on the Delaware Mortgage Rate Weekly Update.